Hey everybody, this is a cat. This is a cat. She is a girl. She is not a boy. She is a girl. This is a box. This is a box. The cat is to the left of the box. Is to the left of the box. Now the cat is to the right of the box. I move the cat above the box. The cat is above the box. I move the cat below the box. Now the cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. In. Now I close the box. The box is open. Now I close it. Now the box is closed. Closed. The cat jumped out the box. Now the cat is sitting, and it is happy. That is all for today. Thank you.